Hello guys! Hello YouTube! So for today's video, meron kaming road trip to Oregon, right?
Hood River.
So yun, meron kaming hiking mag-hike kami. Actually, hindi ko alam yung plan. Siya yung nag-plan nito and hindi ko siya chinek para surprise. Pero for today, magsha-shopping muna kami.
Hiking in the stores.
And maulan ngayon, so pakita ko sa inyo yung weather. Pero what do you call this? Spring, right?
It's spring.
Okay, spring na ngayon and tumubo na yung mga dahon-dahon ng mga halaman. So, have we been to Oregon last time?
So we went to Oregon, but we went on the coast. We're not going on the coast.
So this time pupunta kami sa inland. Ayan. So, update ko na lang kayo later and mahaba-habang biyahe to. How many hours?
To what?
To Oregon.
It's like a 3-hour drive.
So, 3 hours drive. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Bye-bye! Hey guys, update. Nasa outlet area kami, mga outlet shop. Pero wala akong masyadong nagustuhan and ubos na yung mga naka-sale na clothes and shoes. And wala din ako masyadong kailangan kaya hindi rin ako masyadong namimili. Gusto ko lang bumili ng mga pasalubong or pangbalikbayan box kaya kami nandito. So ayun, ngayon pupunta kami dito sa Chocolate World kasi gusto niya ng apple chocolate.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Oh.
Yummy!
Ooh. I don't know. Oh, I got some corn salad thing.
Okay guys, first viewpoint. Ang ganda, grabe!
Woohoo! Oh
Like,
my
oh
god.
my god.
That
So-
is beautiful. That's the
Oh
building
my
we're going
God.
to
So,
next.
pagkita ko sa inyo, wait. Wow! So, ito yung kung nasan kami ngayon and ito yung view. Oh my God, ang ganda! Show them the view. Whee! Can you see it's all green now?
Lush and green spring has arrived.
Ang ganda dito guys. So, pupunta na kami ng waterfalls. And ang ganda ng weather and yung view. Wait,
Look at
pakita ko sa
this.
inyo tong view na to. Wait lang. Wow, ang ganda ng view. Grabe, ang ganda. Gusto ko nang tumira here. Charot. So ngayon mag-hike naman kami papunta dyan sa taas para makita namin yung waterfalls. Let's go. I think first waterfalls ng trip na to kasi maraming waterfalls around the area. Here you go. Ito na yung waterfalls. Taran. Wow. Ito na siya guys. Wow. Ang ganda, grabe. OMG. Super taas niya. Wow. Amazing. Ang ganda. So, pababa kami ngayon dito sa pinaka bottom part ng waterfalls. And ito yung side view. Nasa bangin na siya. And ito yung view. Pababa kami ng bangin. Ooh, it's so
Very sexy.
cold. It's cold. Ito na siya guys. Nasa pinakababa na kami. Yes! Yes, against the light. Lapit tayo ng konti. Baka mas maganda yung view. Ayun yung water niya na dumadaloy. And then, ayun na siya sa taas. Yes, ang ganda dito. Tas ang ganda pa ng weather. Hindi siya masyado malamig. Medyo mainit today. Wow! Ang ganda. So refreshing. So, nandito na kami sa second waterfalls. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako. Pero ito na siya. Ayan, maliit lang to compare dun sa nauna. And ito yung aming view ngayon. So, para mas ma-visualize nyo, ayan yung taas niya. And then, pababa siya doon. Ayan siya. And then, up here, merong magandang bridge. And dun kami galing sa may corner na yun. And eto si Sterling laging nagre-video ng tubig. Third waterfalls na. Ay, nakakapagod pala to. My God. Ay! Biglang gumalaw sa talahib. Nakakapagod. Grabe. So, like, ito pababa. Ang sakit ng tuhod ko, girl. So, ganito yung itsura ng aming nilalakaran ngayon. And pababa siya. Ayun yung trail. And nasa tabing daan yata kami. Medyo maingay, pero naririnig ko na yung waterfalls, so it means malapit na kami. Oh my God, ganito katarik yung mga inaakyat namin, binababa, para lang makita namin yung mga waterfalls. So, pero itong isang to, medyo maano siya, mataas and malapad sa taas. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Pero ang ganda niya, like oh my God, eto. Wow. Then ito yung ilog niya. Continuing dito sa hike. Akala ko okay na yun, nakita namin siya sa baba. Pero gusto niya pa rin makita closer. So,
Hey, look closer this way. When we come down, it's downhill.
my legs are aching.
You're out of shape.
Grabe kaya yung hike and yung outfit natin.
You're
Bugs.
an old man at 32.
Hindi siya pa hiking mga ate ko. Oh my God. Oh my God. Grabe ang taas na namin. If you see here, ayun yung parking. And nandito na kami sa taas ng waterfalls. Ito na siya. Oh my God. Nakakapagod pala to. Kala ko field trip na masaya. Oh my God. Ito na siya. Woohoo! Ayan, lagi siyang busy mag-video. Video! Woohoo!
Several hours later.
Hey guys, update. So, nakapag-check-in na kami and papakita ko sa inyo yung hotel kung saan kami nag-check-in. Napakaganda. bago yun ilalak muna yung car. Kinuha ko kasi itong battery ng GoPro and nalobat na yung phone ko. Okay, here's the hotel. Start tayo dito sa may hagdanan para makita nyo ng bonggang-bongga. Up? No? Natakot ako dun. Naghanap siya ng aso. So, ito pala yung hotel. Room 62. So, start na natin na ang room tour. Charan! So, pagpasok mo, meron siyang tawag dito, vanity. So, ayan siya. Then, meron din siyang full-length mirror here. And we love that. And ito yung toilet. Tignan natin yung shower. Okay, malit lang siya. Then, diretso tayo dito sa my bed area. Wow, pack! So, ito yung phone ko. Nag-charge na ako. Meron silang coffee station here. And my live lamp, buhay. So, meron kaming dalawang queen size bed. It's perfect. Ganda. TV at may malit na ref. And then, eto yung pinakamaganda guys. Yung view. Like, wow! Here's the view. Ang ganda, grabe. Right?
Yeah, I'm happy.
It's so nice here.
I need a
Ayan
bottle of
siya.
wine for this place.
Wow! Update, gamit ko pa rin tong GoPro. Perfect pala to. So, bibili lang kami ng mga kailangan namin sa grocery. And sana maganda yung audio nito.
You stole my GoPro!
Pero perfect siya. So, sa akin na to. Ito yung grocery. Bago to, hindi pa ako nagpunta dito. Do you know this grocery?
Never been here.
Same.
High reviews online.
Same, kasi nga, Diyos ko naman, first time ko lang dito. Pero malit lang yung town na to, right? It's smaller than our area.
This is a smaller town, yes.
Yeah. What do you want?
Marion berry pie.
$13.
It's a whole pie. I wish they just had a slice of that or half. Oh look, a half.
Okay.
We're getting half of a Marion berry pie.
So, nagtitingin kami ng chocolates dito. Yung mga naka-sale. This one, right? 12,
Yeah, those are good.
12,
Grab a couple of those boxes or more.
$12.
That's 2 for 12 though. Wait.
Okay, kuha din tayo ng Sour Patch. Wala pang $2. I'm gonna get...
Look at wine. Right back.
So guys, ang dami ko nang nakuhang chocolates. And marami pang naka-sale. So baka kukuha pa ako ng mga ilan.
$5 chocolates.
Ang dami namin binili chocolate.
But they're gonna be happy when they open that next fucking that buy-in box.
That's just too much chocolate. Okay, ngayon naman papunta kami sa isang Indian restaurant para bumili ng take-out for dinner. Ang ganda dito. Tahimik lang siya, para siyang small town. Parang barangay, ganun. Hey guys, ito na yung aming take-out na Indian food.
And in Indian tradition, we're gonna have to eat with our hands because we have no silverware or plasticware.
Ito yung food namin. We have here chicken biryani. And what's this?
Naan, garlic naan.
Garlic naan. We have white rice. Say to the camera. Hey! Wala din kaming plato. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung view namin while eating. Yeah!
The next day.
Good morning vlog! Ito yung view natin. Morning! Ang ganda, grabe. Ang ganda pa rin. Yun lang yung lagi kong nasasabi sa vlog na to, which is ang ganda, tignan mo. Charot! So, ayan siya. Dinala niya yung malaking camera. And grabe talaga yung nag-iiba yung view, yung scenery based sa sinag ng araw. Look at this. Iba siya dun sa kahapon kasi kahapon afternoon na kami dumating and morning ganito yung itsura niya. Medyo windy today. Yes, ang ganda. Iyon, so today another waterfalls hunting kami. And yeah, mamaya na lang, update ko na lang kayo. Mag-aayos muna ako. I guess hindi na ako maglalagay ng product sa hair kasi mag-hat na lang ako para mas komportable tayo for today's video. And yeah, see you later.
So you have extras. Right?
Yes. Hello, first destination. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin. Closer to the river. And tignan natin siya ng malapitan. Medyo malamig dito. Pero naka 3 layers ako na damit. And as usual, hindi na naman tayo nakapang malamig dito. Malamig! Hindi tayo nakapang hike outfit. So, eto siya. Oh my God. Tignan nyo na. Here we go.
Have a picnic, huh?
Yes! Ano yung sasabihin natin? Yes, ang ganda. Oh, look at the train. It's just parked out there. Across the river. Woo! Grabe, ang lamig. Wow, ang ganda. OMG. Tignan nyo yung bundok. Ang ganda. Grabe. Wow, 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 wow. Yee! Ah. Oh my God, ang sarap ng hangin. It feels good.
Look at the geese.
Okay, after 2 minutes. Okay, bye.
It's too malamig. Too malamig.
Sobrang lamig. Pero maganda siya. Yes.
Everything's shrinking.
Okay, first hike today. Ito yung pangalan niya. Aloha Falls Trail. Ihi! Tignan muna natin yung map. Art history pala to. So, nandito yung map niya. Ayan. And yes, mag-hike po tayo. Buti na lang naka-hiking shoes ako. So, laban na to. Though yung damit ko talaga hindi siya pang hike. And wait muna natin si Sterling. Yes. Let's go up. May naririnig akong something. Ano yun? Oh. Ay, pero ano to? Para siyang tubig. Ano to? What is this one?
Water tank.
Oh,
Wow.
overflowing.
It's full.
Okay, eto na ang trail. Going up. Feel ko kami lang yung nandito ngayon. Kasi wala pang car sa parking. So, pero ito yung view namin. So, alam ko itong bundok na to, sabi ni Sterling, 5 to 7 years ago, nasunog siya. Kaya yung mga puno, halos walang mga leaves kasi patay na sila. So, ayan siya. Kung napapansin nyo, medyo black kasi nasunog siya. So, tabi lang to ng highway. And merong isang waterfall dito. I don't know, 1 or 2. Pero yes. Here we go again.
Go up, stay left.
Oh, stay lang. So, ito yung mga nasunog na puno. Pero buhay pa pala yung mga iba. So, nasunog lang yung lower part. Welcome to the forest of Oregon State. Okay, pagod na ako. So, first agenda pa lang to for today. Pagod na kaagad ako. Oh my God. So, eto siya. Oh my God. Oo nga, nasunog yung mga punong to. If you look closer, sunog talaga siya. Ayan siya. Pero ang ganda. And then, patubo na yung mga flowers. Nagbo-bloom na sila. Wow. And ayan si Sterling, patuloy pa rin siya sa kanyang picture takings. And of course, kailangan ko rin mag-picture taking for Instagram. Can you hear that? So spooky. Pero maganda siya, paakyat kami ng bundok. Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko nadala yung aking thick coat. I love it. So bangin na siya here sa side na to. Kung naririnig nyo guys, ayan yung tren sa baba next to the river. And here's us. Oh my God. First hike pa lang to.
It's only a mile of uphill.
Oh my God, tignan nyo guys, pataas talaga siya. Oh my God. Masakit pa naman yung tuhod ko sa mga gantong eksena. Pero sulit naman dahil sa view. Oh my God. So medyo naliligaw na po tayo. Where are we going? Do you really know where we're going?
Two waterfalls.
Oh my God. Okay, 2 waterfalls na.
You know what?
And ganito na kami kataas guys. Ayan na yung pinakababa. And nasa kalagitnaan pa lang kami ng trail na to. And pupunta kami sa taas ng bundok na yan. Oh my God. Merong mga obstacles like this.
Yeah, but every switchback.
Yeah, look at that. Habang pataas ka ng pataas, paganda ng paganda yung view. Kahit nakakahingal. Pero wow. Grabe. Wow. Pahirap na ng pahirap ang pag-akyat sa bundok. So yung mga waterfalls pala guys, nasa kabilang gilid pa ng bundok na to. Oh my God. Are you okay?
Yeah. Should have run all those.
Oh.
A mile is incorrect. Oh, this is interesting. They put a pipe in for water. Oh, we're getting up there.
Eting scary. Ganito na kayo kataas. And ang bilis ng agos ng ilog ko. And merong dam somewhere here na gumagawa ng kuryente.
A few moments later.
Nalulula na ako. As in, para akong hinihila pababa. Ganito na siya kataas. Layo pa namin sa waterfalls. Oh my god. Ay shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Grabe na to. Nasa gilid na kami ng bundok. Puta. Oh my god. Shit, nakakagula. Scary. Puta. Nakakalula talaga here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. So scary. Are you not scared?
Mahakit ka na.
Scary. Oh, I can hear the water. Naririnig ko na yung tubig. Can you see that? That's the waterfall. Ito yung mga obstacles para lang makakita ng waterfall. Oh my god, imagine this and next to it's like this.
Imagine cutting this trail in.
Oh my god. Shit. Grabe.
Think of the hours it took to make this trail.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is just scary. Nakakalula.
I'm the one with vertigo.
Shit. It's like it's pulling you to go down.
Just go look down. That's what they always say. And don't make jokes about going over or anything like that.
Oh my god, nakakatakot. And here you go. Ito na yung first waterfall. And then yung kanina nandito lang siya sa cliff na to. But here's the first one. Amazing. Worth it naman ang eksena, pero pakapal na ng pakapal yung mga grass or tawag dito, mga damo-damo or halaman. And eto lang yung waterfall.
Oh, you want to do another trail?
Oh my god, no. So nasa tabi na kami ng waterfall na to. Ayan. And at the back view. And here's us. Ooh! Ang ganda dun. Pero focus muna tayo sa paglalakad. Isang hakbang mo lang. Huling hakbang mo na. Nasa Putikan na tayo. Putikan area. And eto na siya. Ito yung tubig. Tapos dun siya pababa. And eto yung view. Yes! Successful. Hindi ko alam kung aakyat pa kami here. Are we going up?
Yeah, it's supposed to be an upper fall.
Eto na siya. Closer look. Wow! And then kung bababa ka dun, yun na yung waterfall. Wow! I don't think pupunta ako doon kasi madulas yung mga bato. And baka tuloy-tuloy tayo sa baba. Pero ang ganda. Hello! Here's
Hello.
So ito na yung end ng trail. What's that?
Will you marry me?
Yes! Give me the ring! Is it gonna fit?
Six and a quarter is what you told me to get.
Oh, wait. Oh, this camera. Hindi kasha. Oh, shit.
Well, I guess we'll have to get it resized.
Can you make it big?
Yeah, they can make it bigger, but you were supposed to fit. You told me six and a quarter. Put it on your pinky for right. Too big. That was the size you told me to get, so that's what he was getting. That.
It's a fail.
No, it's not. You said yes, so it's not a fail.
Okay, papa-resize na lang.
Want to see it again before I put it away?
Firing.
A few minutes later.
Going back to the car. Oh my god.
My princess.
It's scary. It's like pulling you down.
Oh, those are pretty. Yeah. Oh yeah, back to Jay.
I want a photo here. Okay, that was amazing, right?
Yeah, he said yes.
Oh my god. And mali yung size ng ring. It's the wrong size of ring. But anyway, we're gonna get it fixed, resize.
Yeah, no big deal.
Yeah, and now we're off to get brunch
Yes.
to the town.
Celebrate champagne brunch.
Hindi ako umiinom ngayon, pero go. And yung lunch na yun, I mean yung restaurant, malapit lang din siya sa isang waterfalls. And we are here. So, from this area, makikita mo na yung waterfalls. Ayun siya. Ito yata yung pinakamalaki dito sa area na to. And dito rin kami kakain. So, yes, kung ito yung car, ayun na yung pinaka-big. Sabi ni Sterling, ito yung biggest. So, we're gonna go under, I think, kasi merong highway dito. So, eto na yung restaurant kung saan kami kakain and ayun lang yung waterfall. Magkatabi lang sila. Here's brunch. Wow. Here's the egg. Ooh. That looks yum, yum, yum. So tapos na kaming mag-brunch and nandito na kami sa may waterfalls. Medyo malamig ngayon and eto na siya.
It's tall.
Tall.
Didn't know you were gonna get 2 showers today, did you?
A few minutes later.
So sobrang taas na kami. Doon kami nag-park sa pinakababa kung saan yung mga may car doon. You okay? So pataas na naman. Nakakahingal. So I think ito na yung last na hike namin today kasi nakakapagod talaga siya. Pero worth it naman dahil maganda yung view. After an hour or two Ito yung pinakatuktok ng waterfalls. Pero meron pa kami pupuntahan na dalawa. So yeah, here's the view. Okay, halos hindi ko alam 3 hours na siguro kami nag-hike. Pero ang ganda pa rin kahit saan ka mapadpad. Sobrang ganda. And merong bridge dito. And ang ganda. Woohoo! Let's go!
I gotta go down here somehow. Along the boat.
Yeah. Finally, tumigil na rin siya.
Hey, we only been hiking for 2 hours.
Not 2 hours. Oh my God. Sa wakas tumigil na siya and babalik na kami sa kotse. And that's another 2 hours. Oh my God.
I wish I could put the drone over that.
A few moments later.
Okay, successful hike. Alam nyo ba guys, dun kami nagpunta sa pinakatuktok and then naglakad pa kami sa may mga dalawang falls, gano'n. And how was your experience, sir?
Masakit!
Ang sakit ng mga tuhod namin. So next, we're gonna go to where?
The lots.
So the Locks. Hindi ko din alam yan. So yeah, samahan nyo kami. Is this our last stop for today?
I don't know.
I'm tired, so this will be the last. I will decide for now on. I'm tired.
Several hours later.
Good evening guys. So magdi-dinner kami. Nagpa-reserve kami ng dinner dito sa kabilang hotel. Walking distance lang siya. So here's the outfit
It's next door.
for tonight. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung cuisine na isi-serve dito. Ay! Ganon, hakbang pala here. Trespassing.
We have reservations.
Ah, okay. So, update ko na lang kay mamaya. Usually guys, hindi ako nagbablog kapag maraming tao. Ano lang, sneaky video. Oh, it's empty.
Hello. for the reveal. Oh, perfectly.
Yeah.
Right through. Perfect. Oh wait, you want it more rare, huh? So you need that thick piece. I'll take the thin one.
Take the small chicken.
Alright, I'll take the fat.
Tomorrow.
Good morning vlog! So for today's video, last day na namin here sa view na to and nagko-coffee ako sa balcony. Ina-enjoy ko na tong last stay here. Ganda talaga here. And today, shopping day lang kami. Sa city kami and tapos na kami mag-hike. Ang sakit na ng mga legs namin. So, isasama ko kayo today, of course. And tignan natin yung city of Portland, kung ano yung itsura niya.
Look at that.
Hey guys! So nandito kami sa may bundok. Hindi ko alam, ibang road yung dinaanan namin, scenic route. And here's the background. Wow! May snow yung bundok here. Actually may snow here ngayon kasi nasa taas kami ng bundok. Medyo malamig pero ang ganda, grabe. Look. Perfect. So guys, nandito na kami sa tuktok ng bundok and yung mga tao dito nagsiski. Wow! Ang ganda. So pretty.
Crows are so big.
Dito kami sa parang may museum.
See, here's your weave you're making fabric.
Sobrang tahimik dito. Huwag tayong mag-ingay. It's far.
See, I even wore my Pendleton jackets. Made in New York.
And here's the view. Here's breakfast. Yummy. And toast.
I'm making you
And the view. Perfect.
So I got some of those grits if you wanted to taste Parmesan grits.
Everything tastes good.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, sobrang lamig sa labas. Pero maganda. And ang sarap ng breakfast namin. Ang ganda ng lodge. What do you call that place? A lodge?
Yeah. Mount
Yeah.
Lodge. Mount Hood Lodge.
Yeah, and yung mga tao dito nagsiski. Halos. So ngayon bababa na kami and pupunta na kami sa city. Right?
Hour away from Portland?
Yeah. Okay, see you later.
A few moments later.
Outlet Mall! Yeah!
It's not small.
Oh my god, it's really... Yes.
This is huge, really.
Start na natin ang shopping.
Buy one, take one. Look at all the bags we have.
A few moments later.
So successful. Wala tayong ginastos na pera today. Wala tayong napamili for today, pero pupunta pa kami ng Zara. Baka doon may mabibili na ako. Kasi mahal pa rin sila kahit sale na. Nasa $80 isang sweatshirt. So, yes.
Okay, is this store? This store.
Pram, right? Oh, where's the car?
Hopefully it's still right there.
Okay, time to go home.
What did we buy?
Nothing. Wala kaming nabiling mga damit. Walang wow factor. So hindi na lang kami bumili. Next time na lang. And dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to. See you on my next vlog, everyone. Bye!